Let's talk about why mobility is so important, especially if you lift weights, do CrossFit, or just want to move pain-free. If you've ever struggled with tight hips, stiff shoulders, lower back pain, or just felt like your body is holding you back, mobility work can change that. Doing these routines can help prevent injuries, improve your lifts, and just make life easier. Imagine squatting without feeling tight, or overhead pressing without shoulder pain. And it's not just about performance, it's about feeling better in your body every day. I know mobility can feel frustrating at first, but that's why I focus on being relatable and real. I don't always nail the poses perfectly, but I still get the benefits, and you will too. You'll feel the difference, even if you're not super flexible right away. Stick with it, and you'll see progress, I promise. So if you want to improve how you move, keep watching. You've got this.